Welcome to our tutorial on COSMOSXpress. We're going to run a stress analysis for this part. Let's select Tools, COSMOSXpress. First, we're going to assign a material. We click on the Material tab, select Steel, Alloy Steel. When you click Apply, you'll see that alloy steel appears as our current selected material. We continue by pressing Next. Now let's apply restraints. Click Next. I'm going to apply a restraint to this face here. In this box here, we can enter the name for the restraint. For now, we'll just leave it with its default name. Let's click Next. Here we can add more restraints or edit our existing restraints. Let's click Next to move along. Now we're going to apply the load. Click Next. Here we select the type of load, force or pressure. I'm going to leave it at force and press Next. Now I need to select a face to which I'll apply load. I'll select this face. You see that it appears here in this active selection area. We can also edit the name in this text box here. Click Next to move along. Here we select the direction for load 1, normal to each selected face, or normal to a reference plane. For example, we can choose one of these planes, front plane, top plane, right plane. I'm going to choose the front plane. As you see here, these arrows are pointing in the wrong direction. I'm going to flip the direction by clicking this checkbox here, Flip Direction. Now we're going to specify the force value. We can choose newtons or pounds. I'll enter pounds and my value of 1500. Tab, Next. Here we can add another load, or we can edit an existing load, the selected load. Now, Next, and we'll run our analysis. I've selected Yes here. Click Next, and then press Run. This process may take a few minutes. SolidWorks congratulates us, lets us know that the analysis is complete. Based on the specified parameters, the lowest factor of safety, or FOS, found in our design is 3.57251. Basically, anything above 1 is considered to be safe. If the results of your analysis give you a factor of safety that's below the number 1, it means that the material of your part may give up under the pressure or force that will be applied to it. Okay, let's click Next. Do we want to optimize this design? Let's select No for the time being and click Next. Selecting this radial button lets us see the stress distribution for this model. Press the play button to run the animation. We now see the stress distribution on this model. Let's press the Stop button to end this animation and close COSMOSXpress for now. Do we want to save this data? Yes. Okay, right here I have a rib. Let's suppress this feature. On the configuration tree, right-click and select Suppress. Let's open COSMOSXpress again through Tools and COSMOSXpress. Let's look at the Load tab. We have the same load we created just a moment ago, 1,500 pounds. Let's run the analysis again. Click Next and press Run. The process will again take a couple seconds here. Okay, congratulations, the analysis is complete. Our factor of safety, as you can see, is still above 1. It's 1.58774. Because it's greater than the number 1, we can see that this part, even without the rib, would still be considered safe. Let's click Next. Do we want to optimize this design? No. Let's click Next. Okay, let's generate an HTML report. Here we have the option to choose a cover page, enter an introduction, and a conclusion. I'm going to skip these for now and click Next. Here we can enter the report file name. Let's leave it as default and click Next. and it processes. Voila! And here is our report in HTML format. And this concludes our overview of COSMOSXpress.